welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Daisy and welcome. So today I'm gonna have another sneaker unboxing video. I really like these. Well, I wanted these when they released a couple of weeks ago, I believe, which I actually ended up buying these before they released, but they came now. Here, let me just go ahead and open the box. Alright, I went and opened the box. So I got the Barley Green Women Dunk Lows. Like I was saying, I wanted these before they released. Well, I ended up buying them before they released, and then I tried to get them, on sneakers just to see, because I really like them. And I obviously didn't get them on sneakers, and then it took a long time for the shoe got to I got them from SneakerCon, so the shoe got to the place, but it took a very long time for them to check them just to make sure they were good to go. It took them over a week, I think, and then I just received them like a day or two ago, so it did take a long time. But I got the 6.5 in women's, and let's go ahead and see. Ooh, wow, they're pretty. I don't know, I'm very into the lows now. Like, since I got 2 pairs now of just lows, and girls and boys, they're comfortable. Like, I like the highs, but the lows are the new wave for me. Like, but here's the legit tag that they put on. So just take a moment. Like, these are so cute. Like, these are a perfect summer shoe. Just look at this beautiful, like, it's like, I don't know if I would say like a light peach or like a light coral-ish color. Wow. I'm in love with this shoe. It's so pretty. The shoelaces are like a creamish, what did I say, cream color? They look like the color on here. And like in person, like on camera they look white, but they look like more like a creamish color, the same color as this. And then this is like a, well, it's barely green, so I don't know if that's like the color barely green. I don't know why I keep going like this. But the inside's like this. It's a very nice shoe. I really like the colors. I was so mad today because today they released, I think it was 2 pair of dunks and pair of ones. Your girl got none, and I really wanted the multicolor woman ones. Forgot the name, but I'll insert a picture. But I didn't get none. Like, lately I just not hitting anything, and it's getting very upsetting. I mean, I can't win all the time, but at least one shoe, But here they are, both together. They're so pretty. Like, I would definitely suggest to go get a pair. Like, these are so pretty, especially since they're like women's shoe. Oh, look, I didn't even know, like, I forgot the name of this, but look at it. It's like a nice little peach, pinkish, whatever. A lot of people say I'm colorblind because my colors be off. I don't think so, but yeah, whatever color you guys think this is that. But my god, look at these. Like, definitely have to go get yourself a pair. Like, these are so cute. Like, I can't wait to wear these. Usually it takes me a while to put on a pair of shoes or like to wear them, but these I can see myself wearing like tomorrow, which I might look for a cute outfit for this and wear them. Oh my god, look at them. It's so cute. I can't stop staring at them. Definitely should buy a pair. Or like, this is the Barley Green color. Well, I don't know which one is the Barley Green, or like if they just, since it has like a little tint of green. But yeah, very cute. For this video, I hope you guys like this small unboxing, I guess I would say. I don't know, but I love them and I can't wait to wear them, and I really suggest for you guys to go and get a pair because they bomb. And if you were able to get them on sneakers, let me know in the comments below. And if you just decided to purchase them like I did on StockX or SneakerCon, let me know in the comments. And if you're thinking of purchasing a pair after this video, let me know. I get excited when people buy things I suggest. It just makes me feel like people are listening. But like I said, that's all for this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it, and I'll see everybody in my next video. Bye.